Oh, hi! Alam niyo ba that after so many months of trying, finally guys, na-achieve na gid nako ang flaky, gooey, and very fudgy na brownies. Hi everyone! It's me again, Ice, for our day 3 of Another Day, Another Coffee Vlog. Alam niyo ba na isa ito sa mga product na matagal ang shelf life? At sa paggawa, sobrang dali rin. Nagmelt lang tayo ng chocolate at butter, guys. And then, in a separate bowl, naglagay lang ako ng brown sugar at white sugar at nilagyan natin ito ng eggs, one by one, ang ating paghalo. Ito talaga yung product na sobrang daling gawin, guys, at sobrang sarap pa at the best siya pang pares sa ating kape. At ito na nga, inihalo na natin ang ating melted chocolate kanina dito sa ating bowl. Just mix it well until it's well incorporated. And then, lagyan na natin ito ng all-purpose flour at cocoa powder. At here guys, lagyan natin din ito ng pinch of salt at ihalo lang din natin until well combined. And the best thing here is you can add different toppings para different flavors din yung ating brownies. You can add some marshmallow or any peanuts na gusto mo. Pero kahit itong classic brownies guys na hindi natin nilagyan ng toppings is talagang sobrang sarap na, very flaky at the top. And as you see guys, very fudgy and gooey inside. Talagang sobrang sarap nitong recipe natin at hindi ito nawawala sa cafe kasi nga masarap itong pampares sa kape. Kaya sa Team Mom, she's dyan. If you're looking for sidelines, you can try this recipe. Thank you so much and have a fun baking!